Just hanging out on the North Hill with the barn cat and Mr. Apoc. How's it going, sir? He's infatuated with Miss Barn Cat, and she wants nothing to do with him. She just growls nonstop at him. Isn't that right? You have nothing but love for me, but then the moment Apoc moves or does anything, just growl city. She'll usually follow me anywhere. So if I go closer, and then they'll sit here next to each other, just laying, looking right at each other. Apoc so desires her and wants to be her best friend. And I never realized how big Apoc truly was until I've now been around a few other cats, I guess they're normal size. You go over to Apoc, it's like a freaking puma over here. And a tiny little thing. And Apoc is just loving the farm. Absolutely. See down at the house. Still got to get that van unloaded. House is pretty empty. It's got a real echo going on. Charlene is on her way back to Kentucky, and I'll be picking her up. I'm going to head up to Dayton, Ohio, and pick her up today around 3 o'clock or something like that. And that'll be the first time she's going to be on the property now that we're owners. She has visited once before to walk it, and then another time after that to see the little barn cat here that showed up the day the people who were living here previously left. On that same day, this barn cat showed up, and now it's ours. And it's a welcome addition. Animal number 2. We gotta get some goats here soon. This north hill, as you can see, it is pretty overgrown, but it's pretty awesome because a lot of the trees, the top northern part here, is been overgrown long enough that a lot of the trees have seeded, and so I'm going to be able to go through and already have a lot of established trees in the pasture that we can go through and flag them up and determine which ones we're going to want to keep. I'm not sure how I should be holding this for the sun there, but really looking forward to it. Got so much land here. I mean, when I point the camera this way, if you can see it, we own it, all the way around here. And the hill goes way up and way back. Way back. There's a tree line you can see. The furthest back is where the property line goes to. And so this front part's actually we're going to get started because it's got the best fencing still intact, completely usable. And down here at the lower end, you've got the barn that it's attached to, and even a nice drinking well down there for the animals. We're going to run some water lines up into here, and there's actually two ponds up on top here that have to get repaired. Eventually we'll be able to feed the animals water from that, but till then, got the trough down at the bottom here, down there, and we're gonna I got a stream also too that goes between the two barns over here that heads down to our large creek that's at the back of that southern end of the pasture. And I'm not sure if we're gonna, we'll pump from there, but to start, I might just pump from the stream over here, use a ram pump or whatnot to bring some water up here onto the hill for the animals. Alright. Oh. Apoc decided to get closer. Rejected again, bro. You keep trying. I appreciate the effort. It's what most young guys have to learn. It's, you just gotta keep trying. Keep asking. Persistence pays. Break down those walls. Alright, see you later, guys.